In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download free games on a Nintendo Switch or a Nintendo Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you don't want to spend any money, but you still want a new game, don't worry, that's not an issue. From the home screen, scroll down to the bottom row, and then go ahead and find the Nintendo eShop icon and open it up. Now, you are going to need to make sure that the profile that you have is linked to a Nintendo account, otherwise you will not be able to access this eShop, but select the correct profile, and once you're inside the eShop itself, go ahead and go up to the very top section right here, where there's like a little search option, select it, and go down to the very bottom and you're going to see like a little filtered search option on here. Go ahead and select that and find the specific tab for price range. It's going to be right here. You could select this, go ahead and adjust it to free, and then go over and hit search, and it's going to show you every single free game that you could possibly get on a Nintendo Switch or a Nintendo Switch 2. Pick any game you want. For example, we'll go ahead and pick, honestly, I don't really know. Let's say this one right here. Essentially, go ahead and select it, and then you're going to see free download just like so on the right side. Select it, hit free download again. You'll see a confirmation screen, and then when you back out to the home screen, that game is going to be on there just like a game that you would normally pay for. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.